The Haunted House, Part 13, Bags 13. So as you can see, Part 13 is started, and as you can see, I've started on the inside rather than the outside. This is just another piece of roof, as you can see there, nice big plate, a 2x8, and then some nice little flat, you know, lovely nice plate. We've got one of these connector pins here, you can see them maybe better there. That's what we've got in there, just showing you the other way around. And this is going to connect to this pin here, that's going to push through into this stutter. So let's get this part of the roof on and continue the build. And look at that colory sign there, that looks lovely. Those coloured bricks there, you got the light blues and then you got the oranges. Absolutely fantastic. It's built up with the slope of the roof, as you can see. We're definitely going to be doing the insides of a roof, there's no doubt about that. We've built that up. It's going to go right on here, as you can see. The other roof is on, look, and done and standing, which is fine. So let's get that on and away we go. So I hope you can see we've got a little bit of technique here. Nice big 2x10 brown plate at the bottom. Then we've got these black with the connector holes all the way through. That's a better shot, Kevin. Same the other end, you can see there. Then on the actual big brick we've built up again with that, this little section's on top. So we've got the double 1x2 with the circles in the each strut, same each side. A brick here, again one with the hole in again, so everything pushes through. And it's really nice idea of how this all fits together. It really is nicely done. It is going on to the roof at the back somewhere, I believe. So we'll have a look at that and get that on now, and then away we go again. So I hope you can see, much more or less like the other side, we've built up a piece the same, very similar at least anyway. We've got the tower and the spires, and it will just click on at the bottom. There we have our nice coloured glass, as you can see, fitted. It's built up nicely. We've got the nice flat plating, making it look really good. We have the like emblem, the crest of the Baron, if you like, for the haunted house, which is nice. And we have our light brick installed. I thought we had a problem with our light brick and I couldn't see it coming on. Anyway, I dismantled it, checked the batteries were in the right place, put it back together, and lo and behold, it worked. But saying that, it only shines very dimly out the other end of the brick. So, but I think that's where it's supposed to shine, as we'll see a little bit later. Anyway, we'll get this part on the top and then start working on the things that are at the bottom. So I hope my shadow's not in the way. As you can see, we're building up the Baron's portrait, and that is the light brick at the back. Not the light brick, but the thing that actually shows up when we push the light brick into the Baron's picture. And as you can see, is it the Sphinx or the mummy or whoever it is? It's definitely an Egyptian person, and it looks pretty good. I think I like the print, so we'll carry on. We'll get the Baron's picture on, and then we'll see what happens. So I hope you can see there we have the Baron's portrait installed and clicked on the two stutters, and the little bit of information on the build plans is as follows. The portrait of Samuel van Baron. As the portrait was finished, a strange glow started emanating from the ruby. Trapped in the mummy's curse, Van Baron was driven mad by Pharaoh Hotep's terrible jokes. So there you go, that's what it is. So there we have it. Part 13 is finished. Baron's portrait is in. The other side of the roof is in. The actual apex of the roof pushed in absolutely wonderfully, no problems, just went straight in, click, done, dusted. I'm very, very happy. So you can see the two parts just like the other, really, these other sides, really nothing really special to show you, to make up or do. You've seen it all before, not going to bore you. Once the Baron's portrait was clicked into position, everything was totally fine. If I do, you can see there, you can see the shut, you can look at the roof, you can see it, and if I shut it up now, as it should be shut, it is looking absolutely fabulous. I've got to be honest, when you look at that, I'm surprised. I'm surprising myself, because it does look that good. You know, when you look at the windows and the things and everything, and everything's up and running, and everything's gone well, I'm absolutely stunned. And with that, if you've really liked this little video, I hope it's not run too long, then please click that like button for me, give us that thumbs up please, just the channel The World of Good. And if you would like to see the next part of this set, which will be part 14, bag 14 tomorrow, all you have to do, if you haven't done so already, is click on that subscribe button. Anybody who's watched this little video, I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have making it, and thank you very, very much for watching. And I hope all of you will be back tomorrow to see the next part of this lovely Square Ghost Halloween build, the haunted Lego house. And like I say, I hope I'll see you tomorrow. And with that, you know the score, you know the drill. My name's Kev, I am Square Ghost, and I'll see you all on the flip side.